Need to add a simple health check endpoint to your FastMCP server without complicating your codebase? You'll see how to integrate standard HTTP routes alongside your MCP tools using the @custom-route decorator, creating a production-ready health check at health that runs alongside your AI-callable server.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From Starlet, requests import request. From Starlet, responses import plaintext response. MCP equals FastMCP, my server. At MCP, custom route /health, methods equals get. Async def health check request, plaintext response. Return plaintext response, OK. If name equals main. MCP, run transport equals HTTP, hash health check at HTTP /localhost 8000/health.
This demonstrates the hybrid server pattern, combining RPC tooling with traditional web endpoints in a single application. The FastMCP server acts as both an AI-callable tool container and a standard HTTP server, letting you expose machine-readable tools alongside human-readable web routes. What makes this distinctive is the seamless integration of two normally separate paradigms: structured RPC for AI clients and REST-like routes for monitoring or simple web interactions. The design works by treating tools and routes as first-class components within the same server instance. Decorators like @MCP tool and @MCP custom route register different endpoint types while sharing the same underlying transport layer, so you avoid running separate servers or complex middleware. This declarative approach keeps your code organized by intent, tools for AI integration, routes for web operations, while the framework handles the protocol details and request routing. This pattern solves the common problem of maintaining parallel services for different consumers. Instead of managing separate codebases for your AI tools and web APIs, you get a unified server with clear separation of concerns. It's particularly valuable for production systems where you need health checks, status pages, or simple webhooks alongside your core RPC functionality, all without sacrificing the type safety or discoverability that makes FastMCP effective for AI integrations. Let's break it down line by line.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
This imports FastMCP, the core class for building AI-callable tool servers. It handles HTTP transport, request routing, and AI model integration in a single framework.
From Starlet, requests import request.
This imports request from Starlet, the ASGI-compatible request object that encapsulates HTTP request data. Your route handler needs this parameter to access request details like headers, query parameters, or body content.
From Starlet, responses import plaintext response.
Imports plaintext response from Starlet, a lightweight response class for returning raw text. This is the standard way to send simple text responses in Starlet-based frameworks, ensuring proper HTTP headers and status codes without unnecessary serialization overhead.
MCP equals FastMCP, my server.
This initializes the FastMCP server instance named My Server. It's the entry point for all route handling and AI tool registration, acting as the central controller for your application's endpoints and services.
At MCP, custom route /health, methods equals get. Async def health check request, plaintext response.
This is a FastMCP custom route handler for HTTP endpoints. The decorator binds the health check function to health and restricts it to get requests, while the async definition enables non-blocking I/O. This pattern mirrors web frameworks like FastAPI, but integrates directly with FastMCP's tool system for unified AI and HTTP access.
Return plain text response. OK.
Returns a plain text HTTP response with body, OK, satisfying the health check endpoint contract. This simple response confirms the server is operational, a standard pattern for monitoring system uptime.
If name equals main.
Standard Python entry point guard prevents the server from launching when this module is imported elsewhere, ensuring it only runs when executed directly. This pattern defeats accidental double execution in larger applications.
MCP, run transport equals HTTP, hash health check at http://localhost 8000/health.
This launches the FastMCP server using HTTP transport. The comment confirms the health check endpoint will be available at localhost 8000/health, verifying the server is running. This is the standard entry point pattern for FastMCP applications. Custom HTTP routes pattern. FastMCP's at custom route decorator bridges the gap between AI-callable tools and traditional web endpoints, enabling health checks, status pages, and simple APIs alongside your MCP server. The route handler must return a Starlet-compatible response object, not raw data or FastMCP types. This pattern maintains clean separation between AI and web concerns while sharing the same server instance.
The endpoint that serves both humans and machines speaks in two languages, yet remains silent about its duality.